Hey guys, it's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be giving you guys a desk tour. Every time I post a picture on my Instagram story or TikTok about anything revolving my desk and my home office, I get so many questions. So I'm really excited to share it with you guys today. I have been adding little pieces here and there for about 2 years, and I finally found my favorite setup, and this is it. Without further ado, let's get into it. My pink iMac is definitely the focal point center of my desk. I decided to add some Philips Hue lights from Best Buy to add a little touch to it. I love that it's all on an app. It's so easy to change the colors. I'm gonna go for a more pinkish purple aesthetic. I feel like that's the vibe. I also have these Philips Hue lights underneath my desk as well. As opposed to using a stand, I feel like it's so much cuter to have a YSL book to hold up your iMac. I love the pink and it really ties everything together. I found this little pink mouse pad with a cat on it. Everyone's been asking me where it's from. I'll definitely link it down below in my Amazon storefront. One of the most useful products I've ever purchased is this iPad and phone stand from Amazon. It's super lightweight and sleek. I always use it either on my desk or even in my bedroom on my side table. Obviously, I had to include my pink iPad 10th generation. I love that it has a matching lock screen. You guys really love my iPad unboxings, especially this pink one. And let me tell you, I will never wear a case with it because I just love the color so much. These are my Apple Pencil holders. I really like this one that clicks like a real pen, but I'm gonna use the purple one. This is a framed newspaper article written about me in Croatia that I have to add to my desk because I'm very proud of this achievement. A local Toronto artist created this digital art that I want to showcase as well. And these beautiful forever roses from Rose Forever, New York. I feel that when my space is organized and aesthetic, I feel more organized and put together as well. I knew I needed to get my cords under control, so I bought these little things from Amazon that I can just tie them up nicely, and it saves a lot of space on my desk. It looks way more clean as well. If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with my Nintendo Switch. I knew right away I wanted to have a case on it because I bring this around with me when I travel, and this one from Amazon was really cute and actually protects my Nintendo Switch as well. It comes with these little nubs, I don't know what they're called, but I love the boba one for my Joy-Cons. My favorite game to play is Disney Dreamlight Valley. If you grew up loving Sims or Animal Crossing, you will love this game. I saw this little toast light on TikTok and I knew I had to have it. How adorable. My goal of 2023 is to read more books, so I have my bookshelf right here to inspire me. I have my Creative AF notebook that I created, also the 5-minute journal that I'm writing in every single day, and the book I'm currently reading called Think and Grow Rich. If you haven't already realized, I'm addicted to boba, so when I saw that pen, I had to get it, and I love all things Mickey and Minnie Mouse. These little trinkets just add joy to my day. This is the Diva magazine from Croatia that I actually have a feature in that I keep on the bookshelf beside my desk. I also really love miniature items, so I got this sent to me a few years ago, and it is a miniature iMac replica of the iMac I'm using. I think it's just so cute. It just makes me smile. In 2023, I'm also stepping up my content game and posting more on YouTube, so I got this Rode mic and I'm very excited to film and edit more videos. I do need to get a new chair, so if you guys have any recommendations, please put them in the comments below. My cables and under my desk used to be a disaster until I bought this cable management system from Amazon, and I wrapped all my cords up nicely, and I feel like it looks so much better and way more clean. Again, I'm going to be using my Philips Hue light to change underneath my desk, and I'm going to do a blue color. I love my setup, but I know there's one thing missing. Check it out. My desk is aesthetic AF, and I knew I had to have that in my room somewhere. This looks so pretty at night. Oh my goodness, I am obsessed. I'm so motivated to work, edit, and get things done at my new desk. I hope you guys like my desk as much as I do. I feel like I always want to add more things or just elevate my desk space because I do spend so much time here. So if you have any ideas of decor, pictures, a new ergonomic chair, or anything like that, please put it down in the comments and I'll definitely check it out because I always love changing my space around. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Like and subscribe for more, and make sure to check out my TikTok and Instagram to stay updated about everything in my life. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.